Downloading the data file. Once a data acquisition run is completed, the data may be exported. This process exports all the runs performed on a plate into a downloadable, comma-delimited CSV file, which can be read by Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. The downloaded file is immediately available. To download a data file, press the Download button in the System Controls area in the bottom right corner of the window. When the export is finished, it downloads to the tablet or computer in the configured directory. Usually, it exports to the Downloads directory. Note: in the Safari browser on the iPad, click on the Downloads icon in the upper right corner of the screen and select the file to view it. Open the file with Microsoft Excel. The first line of the file indicates when the data was exported. For each run, there is a header section. The first run at the top of the file is the most recent. A sample file is shown in Figure 44. Following the header is the data table. Plate files may be downloaded at any point after a data acquisition run is completed. Deleting a data file. Plate files may be deleted using the Delete button in the System Controls area in the bottom right corner of the window. When a plate is deleted, all data runs are deleted. The sequences are not deleted since other plates may be referencing the same sequences. If you choose to delete a file, a confirmation pop-up appears asking you to verify that you want to delete the selected plate file. Select the Delete button to delete the file or the Cancel button to abort the deletion.